Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm excited to share with you the new kit for May. This particular kit I am moving away from the steampunky grunge of April and we are going a little bit more brighter, more colourful, again a little bit floral. But I absolutely loved these dragonflies. So this kit is called Dear Dragonfly. It is 21 pages. Normally I release on the 1st of May, but that kind of fell midweek this year. It was on a Wednesday. So this kit will be available in my shop from Friday the 3rd of May. For the month of May there will be a discount as usual, so there'll be 20% off for the month. There's no code needed, I will just automatically apply it. So if you want to grab it at the discounted rate, make sure that you purchase this within the month. I will also have my design team working with this kit as well, so make sure that you are following those wonderful creative ladies because I'm sure they're going to come up with something amazing with this kit. So let me take you on a little tour. So as I said, lots of lovely dragonfly pictures. So we'll start off with the journaling pages. And they have this nice kind of worn, torn page look around the outside, and then just a few sort of dragonflies and floral embellishments on there as well, but lots and lots of writing spaces on these. So this page obviously has the larger dragonfly in the middle with the flowers. I really love the colours of this, really lovely sort of pastel watercolours. This I thought would make a nice background page. So again, it's got those watercolours, it's got that kind of torn, crumpled look, but would make a great background page. We've then got a collage page again with a similar kind of colour scheme and some odd little sort of pictures of dragonflies and flowers and things around as well. Another kind of backing page, although there is some areas where you can do some journaling on these. I then have a similar backing page, but instead of the dragonflies, you've got different sort of florals and leaves and things coming in on the sides. I then did this page again, and I'll kind of hold them side by side so you can see. So this one I just kept a little bit of writing in the corners, but the middle I have kind of faded out. So you can see here you've got lots of kind of text and stuff, but I've faded it out. So again, if you wanted to do some writing, you've got more space to be able to do that on here. I've got another page with the big dragonfly up the middle. And then we've got one more collage page. Then moving on to the different ephemera pages. So we've got a page of pockets. I've got larger ones and then 4 small ones. We of course have some large tags. I do love using large tags in my journal. So again, I try to keep the colours nice and bright, and then those beautiful dragonflies on each tag. We then have some smaller pieces. So I've got some circles of dragonflies there. I've got an actual dragonfly that could be fussy cut out. And then just some different tabs and other elements. I tried to keep the fussy cutting to a minimum this time round because I think the last kit was, a cutting nightmare if you're somebody that does not like fussy cutting. We also have these kind of specimen tags as well. I really love using these, so I'm looking forward to experimenting with these some more. We then have some different tags. So we've got some that are decorated, but I've kept some plain because I thought, again, with some of the smaller embellishments on the previous pages, you might want to decorate your own. We've then got some Rolodex style cards. So they've got the holes missing at the bottom. You don't necessarily have to cut those out though, you could just cut them out and use them as a journaling card. But again, they're nice and pale, so there's lots of space to be able to write on the card, and obviously you'll have the reverse as well. We've then got a file folder. And then we've got a page with different words, and then I've got some smaller versions of those Rolodex cards, but these actually have quotes on as well, and then a few hearts again in the same kind of colours that we've seen in this kit. Got another page of different journaling cards and fussy cuts. We've got some stamps down at the bottom, we've got some tickets, and then like I said, some journaling cards. And then finally we have this beautiful envelope, so that's how it would look on the back. Really, really pretty, but then it's got that kind of worn background paper for the top and the bottom. So that's the kit for May. So as I said, a lovely kind of floral, colourful kit, very different from last month. 21 pages. It is on sale at 20% off for the month of May. The links will all be down below, so if you want to go and purchase this, go and check that out. As well as having this kit at a discount for the month of May, there will also be some different challenges happening each week throughout the month of May in the Non-Stop Papercrafts Facebook group, so make sure you come and join that too. Each week there will be a different challenge. There'll also be some freebies as well that kind of link with this kit. Those freebies will be available in the Facebook group, but also on my Ko-fi page. For those that participate in the challenges or create things with the kit, I also do a winners drawing at the end of each month for those that have been using it and have been participating, just as a thank you for those posting in the group. The first challenge video will come out on Sunday, so that will be the 5th of May. So make sure that you are subscribed and have clicked that bell so you're notified when that video comes out. The freebies will also be released on the Sunday, and yeah, I really hope that you come and join in. Well, that's all from me today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see what you make with the Dear Dragonfly kit. Thank you very much, everybody, and I'll see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.